I'm already knowing I'm sweating. Jesus.
It's so hot outside and draining. It's gonna be so cute. I'm excited. Back in my sewing bag, okay? See her? I feel so pretty. I'm so glad I ended up making this. Yes, to getting fucked up.
When you really love like
just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
I'm already knowing I'm sweating. Jesus.
Yes, I love some Anthony. I love Anthony.
Honey, close up, it's cold. Are you gonna help? I held her head in the taxi.
Good times, you had a good time? I'm about to get y'all, it is so, don't mind the mess right there, but it's so hot outside and draining. It's the next day. I'm supposed to be going home and looking for this clip too.
Donna, man down. 11:30.
It's later on now. Don't mind the smoke. Just don't even mind it. It's later on now. I done did the grocery. I mean, up to my groceries. And did laundry. And yeah, I did not end up finding my clip to my ring selfie light. But I got it propped up on this little tripod. I got a second little tripod that I use. So until I order a new one, I'm going to just be using that. I'm going to pop back in tomorrow, because I want to make a top. I was going to make it tonight, but I don't feel like making like the TikTok and all that. But I did pull out the fabric. I already know which one I want to use so far. Like I said in the last vlog, it's still full of technical difficulties. I'm currently about to get ready to sew a heart to top. I don't know if I want to use this green fabric right here, or do I want to use this brown fabric. I'm gonna end up just making one out of both. I already know, but I'm gonna just go with the green first, see how it look, how I like the top, and then I might do something a little different with the tan one. I don't know. I really could make a set out of this because I got enough, but right now I'm just aiming for a top. But this gonna be so cute. I'm excited. Back in my sewing bag, okay? Quick intermission. I had to come in the kitchen. I'm cooking me some tacos right now and watching some YouTube. Before I sold that hot tie, I need to eat real quick. I got a little hungry after I cut the pieces. So yeah, I'm cooking these tacos, but I'm about to eat this quesadilla because it's literally probably just about to be lunchtime. It's not even lunchtime yet, but yeah, I woke up having a taste for tacos, so I'm going ahead and cooking them. Okay, now that I'm dressed, I wanted to go ahead and show the top before I hit the road. I'm about to go to let me talk. I'm sitting here trying to move and do all this talking. I wanted to go ahead and show the top
before I go ahead and get on the road, I'm about to go to my sissy's house. She coming to scoop a real one. A real is in town, you heard? Yeah. Huh. That's what I like. Here go the top. I'm gonna zoom in and kind of try to. You see her? It's like a halter top bag. Yes, too cute, too cute. I wanted to pop in and show that the sun is out, honey. I didn't make my summer top. It'd be hot. I be wanting to be naked outside. If I could be naked, I would. I feel so pretty. I'm so glad I ended up making this. My hair right here is really gonna piss me off. Yeah, that's really what I'm about to do. I'm about to go ahead and get ready to go. I just wanted to pop in and show the top because I loved how it came out. I need to go ahead and close out for TikTok too. Let me do that. Yeah, I'll probably pop in once I'm at my sister's house and yeah, end it out there. I don't really know.
You said what?
You see what I'm saying?
That's correct.
Lies, lies, and more lies, and lies on top of lies.
And I mean, the strongest up. Sis.
Fabricate streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols.
Yes, to getting fucked up.
Take off the Sandro, pay 5 days.
You gonna put it up.
Telephone. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, kick off the cop with the iPad, kick off.
Another way up to the lights.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off. Is it over?
Y'all are.
You got a flight, nigga, can't even see me. I'm way out of here, too far to sky. Heard me, it's ash ready to turn my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Popping on Zoos and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and not gassy. Came out the gutter, they never me this wagon. Security bag, got a bitch out my bag. Turning it up, got a merch, she good. Parking 2 million in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the.
Okay, it's currently the next day. I'm back at home from my sister's house. But I'm talking about from my sister's house. That's so weird calling her sister. I always say sissy. I just thought about that. Yeah, I'm about to go to work. Yeah, I'm probably just pop back in once I get off. Yesterday I was doing her hair and I did not get any after clips, so I'm waiting for her to send me the after clips. I really need to get that because I was making a TikTok. Usually I don't get the before clips, and this time I did not get the afters. Ain't that crazy? Like, what in the world? I'm about to get ready to head out, and yeah, I'll probably pop back in tonight or tomorrow and close this out. I really probably should go ahead and close it out today because if not for nothing, I want to post it by tomorrow. So yeah, I'll pop back in. Y'all, I gotta pee so bad. We just drove an hour and 22 minutes to drive to this theater in Raleigh. Hopefully it's good. I gotta pee so bad. Oof. You know, when I pulled out the laptop cam, we wrapped up to the end. But yeah, it's currently 3. I'm not gonna be able to show it. It's 3:38, if you could see that. And I'm closing out this vlog right here. You know, challenging my introverted ways. Homebody still get out, you know. Had a good time this week going to the farmer's market. Besides the technical difficulties, because my selfie light, I did end up breaking my little clip for my selfie light.
but I'm gonna order me a new one this week. But I end up improvising. So, all in all, just improvise. Collectively, this vlog was good. I had fun at my sister's house. I really needed that little recharge, that 24-hour recharge, and doing her hair. I just really needed to tap back into just my creativity and see if I still got it. You know, my little hair thing, see if I still got it or whatnot. Challenging my introverted ways. I got to get out the house. I can't think I'm gonna find inspiration in the house, honey. Got to get out. You know what I'm saying? At the point, I really need to go to bed because I gotta work. I'm acting like I don't got work. Until then, I'll be back with another one. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.